In JavaScript, the string includes method returns whether a substring is included within a given string. First, we'll need a string, so let s equals string hello world. Let's see if s includes world, so console.log s.includes string world. If we run this code, we'll see true, which means s does include world. Let's change this a little bit to see the difference. Does s include capital W world? If we run this code, we'll see false, which means s does not include world, meaning includes is case sensitive. Last example, we'll change world back to lowercase. Includes has an optional second argument that is the index to start looking from. So for this example, we'll do s.includes world at or after index 7. If we run this code, we'll see false because world starts at index 6, so it does not occur in its entirety at or after index 6. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.